All right, day 2, Top Step Combines. We have 3 150K accounts, and we are up $3,000 on each one, and we are looking to get to $3,000 to $4,000 of profit today. We're in a nasty bull trend, which looks like it might be topping out, but chances are it's not, because it's just the way trends go. They always look like they're gonna reverse, and then they don't. But who knows? We might be catching the reversal over here soon. Let's say a break under 980 would be a pretty clear sign of a reversal. Plot some pivot points here, because these are key levels where it held and where it went against. I'm gonna plot a couple on the 5-minute too, because this was a heavy low. And this is another one, but it's only 5 points away from another one. Yeah, we'll just slap one on there. I don't want to put too many lines because then it gets a little confusing and annoying. But these are some key levels we should know about. Another key level would be like right around here, because it is. What is going on here? Why is it not working? Oh yeah, there it is. Because it's like the top of that candle right here, and then the top of these wicks. I mean, these aren't actual like liquidity points. These are just candles, but we make most of our plays based on candles. So I mean, probably right there. Yeah, that seems like a good point. Okay, so we're either looking at a continuation up to 37 here, or we're looking to dump and start a bear trend. But we're gonna wait and see, because patience pays. And we have a lot of time today. Wait, 9:15? Yeah, oh my god. Oh my. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm wondering if this is the short play or the long play right now. Is this the 8 minute early? Yep. Been there, done that. Did that on my live account today. Ape did way too early. But let's see if we're gonna keep running here, or if we're going to start a nice reversal, and if we're gonna make a short play. Ideally, I do want a short play, but one may not present itself today, so we will see what happens. We're gonna be patient, and we're going to wait for a nice play. We could also try scalping some longs right here. Try to get like $1,000 or something like that. 5 cons. Probably 6 cons actually. Could go for, yeah, a few scalps. I'm not sure. I'm thinking it's going to come down to this 980 level. Maybe bounce off and go higher, or if it's going to just rip through and drop like, 50 points in 5 minutes, like it did yesterday multiple times. So that's what I'm nervous about. We might take a long here at 980. Hmm. Yeah, 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 yeah. Still bullish. Bullishness now. I'd be bullish too if I saw this. But yeah, I mean, I'm bullish as well, but right now, I mean, this is a critical point. It could either reverse or keep going on a nasty bull run. So I mean, we're just gonna have to see. Be patient. Wait. My boy Bashy. I believe he's still short at 915. How does he not hit daily loss? Could easily get back down there, is what I'm starting to think. I almost want to just take a short right now with 3 contracts and see if this is the reversal, because this would be a nasty entry. But we're not confirmed bearish, so it would be sketchy. This could be the confirmation we're waiting for here, like right now. I actually would not mind just hopping in this with a bad entry to wait for a drop, because with 3 cons we can make our profit target pretty easily. And oh, let's see with 3 cons. Yeah, we'd have to go all the way up to 43 to DLL, and 37 is a huge resistance, so we would just add there. Hmm. It's kind of like a gamble play though, so I'm not really willing to do it. It is looking pretty sweet though. It's such a bullish day that it's actually more risky to go short right now. Yeah, it's just such a bullish day. So we will wait, actually. We're gonna wait. These dojis make it seem like we might just dump off a cliff. This would not be a bad short entry. Risk only like $1,000 to make 3,000. This isn't a bad idea at all, actually. I think we're gonna take it. Yep. So our stop loss is gonna be around 616 ish, and then our take profit will be the 3K that we want today. Maybe less. We'll see. But this seems like it wants to dump off a cliff. So we're gonna risk this one. This is like a 50-50 chance, which I actually don't mind 50-50 odds. I might just put hard stops because I gotta do something. I mean, if it hits over here, there's nothing stopping it from really coming down all the way over here. So we'll actually set hard take profits right there, just in case. And a hard stop loss around 616. This could easily hit very, very fast, but it also could just missile. So I feel like if it goes down this far, then we're in a bear trend. We might as well go for the 4,500 or 4,300 ish. But it could just reverse off of this level. Let's just put it a little bit lower just in case. And we'll just wait this one out. See what happens. This is a 3-con short, so I mean, we have relatively low risk, relatively high risk rewards. I mean, it's 3-to-1 risk reward, 3-to-1 reward risk. Yeah, 1-3 risk reward. So it seems like it might be pretty good. But if it holds on a bullish day, then that's a problem. It is such a bullish day. But even a bullish day needs a pullback, so this could easily be a stop right here too. Just to fucking curl back up and go higher. Around 65-ish. The tips of these candles over here. I know someone asked me on my previous video to make a video about plotting points, pivot points. So yeah, that's kind of what what I explained earlier. So hopefully that helps. But then we have a massive FVG here and a very strong high at 1637. So originally the plan was to wait to get up here to take a short because that is such a strong high. So we'll just plot a point up there and see. She might even wait for it now, actually. So we're already up $600 on a bullish day. But it does look like it wants to dump lower, so I think we are gonna let this play out. We'll take an L if anything. Just in case, because I mean, who knows if we're actually gonna get that high. So, I mean, if it doesn't go that high, then this is like the second best play of today, I'd say. Multiple support levels before take profit down there. Very curious. We're just gonna rip up. We're gonna find out though. With only 3 cons, I mean we're looking pretty safe. This is just crazy bearish right now. I mean bullish. Jeez. Dump it, dump it, dump it. You know what's funny? I actually got stopped out on this wick on my live account, um, on my shorts, which sucks because I think that was a valid play. So I guess we're just retaking my play from my live account on the combines. So we're gonna make fake money instead of real money. That's okay. Once we get these XFAs, technically it's better than having a live account because you get to keep 150% of the profit that you make per trade instead of just 90%, which is awesome. But yeah, I mean, let's see. Let's see if this play works out. We'll be pretty close to getting our express funded accounts with Top Step if it does work out. Chop downwards is usually bearish. This isn't really chop because of those wicks. So, I mean, let's see. Chop down is bullish. Chop up is usually bearish. Let's see. I wonder what like 10 cons right here would have been. That would have been 3K. It's pretty much all we needed. That's funny. Now we're gonna go for the long play with or the long term play with 3 cons. See if we get a reversal on a bullish day. It's not looking amazingly hot right now, but this easily could be the little pop before the giant drop. So let's see. So right now we have a 68 stop loss or 68 tick stop loss, a 246 take profit. Let's see if this goes against us here. This is one of the crucial points, 16K. It's all part of the fantasy. We are in a short on a bull trend. Nice. This is gonna confirm if we're gonna get wrecked or not here very soon. If this doesn't dump off a cliff, like very soon, then we're gonna take another short, or it's probably gonna hit our stop loss. And we'll probably take another short at 37. Why am I going for shorts on a bullish day? I have no idea. Just not the brightest star in the sky, I guess. Trying to go against the grain for whatever reason. It's usually not a good idea. This is usually when I lose the most money. I'll admit that. But with the drops we've had recently, it somewhat makes sense to me. I'd be scared to go long because the drops have just been so harsh. Which is also why we're only in 3 cons too, because it could just go either way. Obviously, it's 50-50 like most trades. This one, I actually, I mean, we're bullish on the day, but we're at like a crucial point, right? 16K is a pretty strong, resistance. Even though we broke through it to like 1607 earlier, it's just such a good pivot point that like it makes it 50-50-ish. I'd almost say it makes our odds a little bit higher that we're gonna go down for at least a little bit. Especially after, just ripping up all day. We started at what, 842 and now we're almost at 16K. Like I feel like it's not even 50-50 at this point. I feel like it's 60-40 to go short. Like 60% chance to win a short. So I'm pretty confident in this. So we're literally just gonna sit here and wait and see how it plays out. Typically with combines, I'll go super heavy and just scalp it, but I'm testing some new stuff out, so let's see how this goes. Technically, we don't have to make our 4K in one trade either. If we're up like 2K, I might just, sell half, maybe leave a runner, or just completely get out and look for a new play. Because we could also just range back and forth here throughout the day, especially after a giant bull run like this. I'm looking for a short break out. Bears are bringing some heat. That's good. It's always good when you're in a short. Let's take a quick look at liquidity. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the Bears are bringing some heat. So let's see if they can push it through. If they do push it through, this should be like real quick. Like we seen yesterday. Like over here. Like just enormous drops. This is the 5-minute chart. 93. I mean, that's a 100-point drop in 10 minutes. Like, come on. 943 to 868. You know what I mean? These are just like insane drops in 10, 15, 20 minutes. So if it does happen today, I mean, it was such a bullish or bearish day yesterday that easily could not happen today. But we're already back up here. So, I mean, yeah, we're in this FVG right now. Massive FVG. We already broke out through it. We couldn't break through the top. I mean, there's a bunch of signs saying that the short could very well work out. But I'm also seeing a few signs that we do go test this high up here. We couldn't break that level. Hmm. We go down there. I'm very, very curious if this is going to work out now, actually. It's starting to feel a bit more bullish than bearish. Stopped out. Tricky day. It is a little bit of a tricky day. Which is why I'm wondering if, like, in a perfect world, we would just go straight up to the high of the day from yesterday and then come crashing down. But the stock market wants to take your money, technically, so we could easily just blast up there and then go through the roof. Hmm. I mean, we're already in this, so we're gonna see how this plays out. But yeah, I'm curious to see what's gonna happen today. It's been an interesting day thus far. I meant to take a long right here on that giant wick down. I had like I wanted a long so bad, but I hesitated too much on the live account, so I ended up taking a few shorts on the way up and took a bunch of losses. Not a good day. And then I'm in shorts again. But this is actually a pretty good level for shorts, I'd say. Before, I was just, I don't know what I was saying. It was just too crazy of a bull run, and I was just trying to catch the reversal. And I guess that's exactly what we're doing right here. This is a key level at least, so at least that makes some sense. Almost at break even here. It's gonna have to be a do or die moment here soon. Either breaks out or it breaks down. How much longer can it channel for? It's been like what? Almost an hour, 40 minutes. Uh-oh. Looks like we may be finished. This is the key level. We could add 3 more here and then go for like a little scalp. But it is about time that it broke out, so I'm not entirely sure it was a good idea. Kind of like our like low risk play here. Relatively low risk. So adding on more size would just make it, you know, more risky. Gonna play the waiting game, waiting game. Stop loss is right at the top of that FVG. Oh my gosh. Not 10 contracts, just 3. Yeah, that's a $1,000 loss. If it hits that. Good news is, if this rejects, chances are we break down. So this is a pretty key moment. We either break out like crazy or we drop like crazy, I'd say. Maybe not even like crazy drop, but we'll drop pretty hard. Yeah, like right now. But hopefully through the support levels. Hopefully. Ugh. Let's get the drop diggity. You gonna dump through or what? Bear trend activated. Hopefully, let's go. Push through. Drop like a rock. Like a rock. Drop like a rock. Like a rock. Stop. I'll be back. Hopefully, I come back and we're up like 2 or. Hopefully, we're up the 4Gs. But wait, is this the 4G take profit? Yeah, almost 4G take profit. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if I come back, dude. I'll be right back. Yes. There's the breakdown. Let's see if this is the downtrend we were looking for. Come on. Man. Got wrecked on the live account. This is the play that I was looking for on the live account. I think I entered like around here. I had a terrible entry on the live account. I entered like right there. Got wicked out over here. I would have got wicked out regardless over there. But yeah, this was the short I was looking for. Hopefully it keeps crashing. And we get 4K on our combines today. How much is this exactly? 3,900. I think it's gonna keep going. So let's go for the 4,500, 4,300. Yeah. Because I mean we don't have major support until like right down there. So yeah, let's see. Let's see if we get this. What are we at right now? 55K. Oh, we only need 3,300 more to pass these 3 combines from Top Step, turn them into XFAs where we can make real money and not just fake money. Let's dump it like a rock, dump it like a rock stock, dump it like a rock, dump it like a rock stock. Na 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 na. Dump it like a rock, dump it like a rock star, dump it like a rock, dump it like a rock stock, dump it like a rock, dump it like a rock stock. Let's see if we get it. This is a proper trade. Almost the short from 950. You're a real diamond hander, to be honest. Crazy. He's just still holding. He got in it right here at 950. Held through everything. That is grade A diamond handing. Oy, oy, oy. That's so funny. Big bulls. Man, we're so close, but hold on, we're tapping this support right here. Let's see if we can break through it. Oh my gosh, so close. If it rejects right here and just goes right back up, I'll be so mad. We're at 3,700. Uh, we could just take profit and then have another 3K day and finish the combine, which isn't a bad idea. But like 10 minutes, look at this. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. This is what I was talking about earlier. Literally 10 minutes drop like a rock. But we did the same thing on the bullish side, but 15 minutes. Let's keep our PT strong and stick to the plan. Hopefully it works. I'd say if it gets back up here, We're just gonna get out. We'll look for another play. But the Bears are strong right now, and this was a good support level from earlier. I hope we just slam right through it into the PT, and then we're done. RPG. Whoosh. Patience pays, though. Could pop up a little bit and slam back down because we're in a gnarly downtrend right now. Party like a rock. Party like a rock stock. Drop like a rock. Drop like a rock stock. Dun, 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 dun. They're looking pretty good on this combine. We only need 3K. This is a little bit greedy, but it just looks so good. This reverses right now, I'd be shocked. Thoroughly shocked. So we stick to the plan. But if it messes around here too much, then I'm just gonna close for the 3K profit. Just because I don't want to wait that long, you know what I mean? It could easily dick around and then drop off another cliff, but you know, we have a good amount of money today, so we don't need to stick around for that long. Drop like a rock, drop like a rock stock, drop like a rock, drop like a rock stock. We're gonna get that 4,400. Oh, come on, man. Push down, push down. This was our original TP right here, actually. I wonder if it's gonna come right back up. In classic downtrend, characteristics is that it drops off a cliff, bounces back up a little bit to another key level, like maybe 59 here, and then drops even further down. But on such a bullish day, we saw a drop, try to pump back up, drop, pump back up, boom, missile back up. So that's the only thing that's getting me nervous, is that we are in a bullish day. But bullish days could turn bearish, so let's see what we got here. We're gonna try sticking to the plan. Get out if it comes to one of these levels here, and then you know, depending on how much profit we have, we could take another trade or just keep it. Let's see if we get this nasty drop right now. Usually it takes like 10-15 minutes though, I noticed. Usually it's like one bear candle, one more bear or bull candle, two bull candles, and then giant engulfing bearish candle. But it'd be cool if it happened faster. Mm-mm. 9:15. Oh, that's Andy's entry right here. I mean, if it breaks this, chances are it will go to 9:15. So that's a pretty good take profit, I'd say. But it needs to break this. It's the only thing. Hopefully we don't just miss a lot though. That'd be not cool. Oh. How many ticks was that? It's 260 ticks. Okay, it's rejecting 59. We're looking good. Let's see this drop now. Might have to wait 4 more minutes, but let's see. Patience. Let's see if patience will pay today. Technically, it already did, but now we just wanted to pay more. A little bit greedy, to be honest. Let's get into those levels where we're gonna have to get out of here. There's still 3 minutes left. It pushes through. We're gonna have to get out. It's gonna be sad. Oh my God. Stretch. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Luminax FA, that's not good. It's 6:11. Oh yeah, he got wicked out. That's the worst, man. Happened to me too today. Waiting for this dump specifically. It might not even be that big of a dump. So 2 minutes left on this 5 minute. We might literally just run up after this. Just like this. Boom. How many ticks? Let's see. 235. Yeah, I mean it's similar to this drop. 243. This might be all she wrote. She just broke through that level. If we don't see a violent drop, we're getting out. So I have 2 minutes left on these bull candles. On the 5 minute. Let's see a dump right here, or we're out. Still 1 more minute on the 5 minute candle. It could wait it out, but it is getting resistance. 45 seconds. Okay, I think we might be waiting this out. It's breaking higher. No, it's not. Oh, almost. Almost. Get rejected. Crash lower. Hit the take profit and call it a day. Popping up 15 seconds on the 5 minute candle. There it is. We engulf this candle right here. Slam back down. It could take a minute or two, but if it pumps higher, then we're done for. Now we're just giving back profit. It's not good. I know we said our stops would be over here, but that's obviously already done. We didn't do that. So if it breaks above 980, then we're out. Potentially looking to go long. Ew. Up 1500 on the second XFA. Let's go. Yeah. Gave back profits. I'm probably going to have to get out. Taps and slams down. Breaks through those two levels right there. Then we're looking good. If not, we're hard out. We're definitely out. What I'm looking for is this to become a wick and then big red candle down. Get back 2 grand in profits, which I do not like doing, but it happens. And we're gonna have to be out here at 1,000. Oh, might drop like a rock. Okay, we're out. Damn, we could have been done. But I guess we're looking for another trade. Yeah. Get back way too much profit here. Does another $1,000 of profit. That's okay though. We could look to take another short up here. I definitely would not feel safe going long right here. That's for sure. But yeah, let's just see what happens. This actually might be a safe long. Now that we're in this zone again, this probably becomes major support again. A little bit of extra money cost us a lot of profit right there. Unnecessary. This is what it's been doing all day. It should just we could just go long for the breakout. We really could. If it pulls back a little bit, we might actually go long. But I don't know if it's gonna pull back. But then it also brings up the question, if it does pull back, is it just gonna drop like a rock? You know what I mean? Yeah. What was our short? It was like around 16K. And we were aiming for around 25. So it was a 75-point drop. And see our trade looks so stupid now because we held for too long. It's okay. This is just a lesson about greed. Just take profit, especially when you make like almost $4,000 in 10 minutes. Like just take it. You know what I mean? There's always gonna be another opportunity. This was just like a nice little lesson. We're so bullish we might just break through the top though. This is pretty wild. How much money do we need? Oh, we only have 975. Okay. So we still need another 3K. I feel like it's gonna rip up. Yeah, you retest 80, boom, curl back up. There's no entries right now though, I'd say. Like maybe a short entry for a scalp, but Just looking at this, I would enter long right here if I had to choose, but I'm not gonna do it because it's just a like like not a good entry. You know what I mean? I mean this technically this was our last entry for sure. It's 16K though, so yeah, it might actually be the short entry again, but I doubt it. I think we're gonna push higher. Yeah. I think we're looking for breakouts. It's holding so well. This could easily just boom, 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 missile. Yeah, so 10-minute drop, 15-minute climb, 15-minute drop, 15-minute climb. Yeah. Man, what a day. Wild. It could go for another short, but it's just so bullish that it doesn't make much sense. Could go for a heavy long scalp, but it's just also too risky. We're gonna be patient because patience pays. Which FPG held. Uh, it's a hard life. It really is. Trading life is a hard life. I want to go long here. Well, no, not right here, but I want to go long. But this would be a pretty easy short scalp with like 9 contracts. Probably make 2K. 10 contracts, let's see. Yeah, we could probably make 2K really quick. But also, it could just go against this, so we're not going to do it. That's typically a trade I would do. I would take like 10 contracts long right here, or I mean, 10 contracts short. Boom, scalp like 2K, and then walk away. But not today. Not today. Too bullish. It's very high chance it goes against us. But if we did do it, then it'd be very quick. Let's see if it would have played out. It would have went short like right here, the 69 level, and we would need 10. Yeah, like the 69, 09 level. And we would need like 10 points, like 40 ticks. See if it would play out. So this would be like the take profit right here. On this little 10 contract scalp for 2K. 99999. See if it would have hit or if we would have just got wrecked. Oh, probably get wrecked, but I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Oh yeah, we would have got wrecked. 37 is that big, strong high. Ooh, that would have been our 2K long right here, too, if we would have just reversed. I think we might still go long here. Just broke a new high. It should go up to at least 37. But let's see how far this pullback is. This pump destroyed my account. Ooh. They could possibly fill that in to shape the volume profile. We break higher. We might even break high of highs. Let's see how this pullback goes. Yes, let's take a look at ES. ES didn't break highs. Interesting. I think this is a long play to higher highs. Super risky entry though. Break highs. Pump destroyed my account. That's so sad. I hate seeing that kind of stuff. I mean, it's hard. So obviously we could have taken profit right there, but we got too greedy because we thought it was gonna pump up and then dump, which it didn't, right? But if originally we should have stuck to our out right here, but this was like a key level for it to dump off a cliff, so I didn't, and I held a little bit too long. But even if half your profit's gone, you still got to get out. Don't let the trade go red. You know what I mean? Which is what I think happened to that guy, but I'm not positive. My time. Told him this so well, we might actually go long here. And we're gonna take this long. See if we can aim for 37 up here. Just 3 cons. Our outs will be somewhere down here. We might add 6 cons if it tests this again and doesn't break through. Okay, we're gonna go 6 cons. We're gonna have a tighter stop loss because I don't want to get rolled here. Our stop loss is gonna be pretty much any lower. It's a high risk breakout play, but we're so bullish on the day that I think it has a good chance of working out. Ooh, this is if it hits 37, that's all the profit we need for today. But it needs to break out, which is always not always, but I feel like waiting for a breakout is usually one of the hardest things to do as a trader. Or taking a trade like this, expecting a breakout that may never come is one of the hardest things, I think. get a hard take profit, like right around here, right below that key level, so we make sure it hits. ES still doesn't have a breakout. Party like a rock, party like a rock stock, party like a rock, party like a rock stock. We're up 1,000. Let's go. Should we eliminate some risk? Yeah, let's eliminate some risk because we're like in a sketchy little spot here. Just in case it doesn't break this high. And we're still up 2K, so I mean, it's still good. Let's see if we do break out, though. It looks like we're going to. Push. Push. Oh, there's a breakout. Nice. Practicing a little risk management. Not getting any FOMO. This is all good stuff. If it breaks through 37, though, I'm going to go nuts. We're at 2,500 right now. Let's see if we can get up there. Take profit again. It's like 35, 30, 34-ish. Just below that 37 because that should be a hard rejection. But we could easily just rip through it and just go straight to the moon. But we're going to be safe. We're playing it safe. Oh, yeah. Party like a rock. Party like a rock. I'm going to get out at 614 if it crashes through, and then we'll just look for another trade. I want to keep, the 2K or whatever we have. 2K-ish. But it shouldn't. It should just bounce right here. Gosh, okay. That's what I get for trying to predict the market. We could really hold this. We're at a good support level. We took a decent amount of profit right there. So we could hold this for the break down here. Be fairly safe, yeah. Yeah, we're in a pretty good position right now. Plus, we already have the profit cushion. Looks like it wants to go up, so I think we're in a pretty good spot, but we shall see. What's ES doing? It's testing the highs. It's a strong high up there. What is this? Oh, from the other day. Hmm. If ES breaks out, then NQ is definitely breaking out. I'd say. What are we looking like on the 1 minute? Week high. Ah. Hmm. bullish day. This kind of looks like yesterday, but just bullish version, right? And just takes way longer, and there's way less like speed bumps. Yeah, it's literally just waves. It's like a scalper's dream. Hmm, very interesting. I wonder if this will do this the rest of the day. Just boom, boom, keep going higher. Giant pullback, keep going higher. Giant pullback, keep going higher. But if that is the case, then that means that we could have a giant dump here. But I don't think this went high enough. I think it's got to at least get up there. Pink slip polka. Oh. Hmm. I'm wondering if this is upward chop, which could follow a giant dump. This is downward chop. Now this is like upward chop. Hmm. This is not good. We might just bail on this and look for a new one, a new position. Yeah, we're gonna bail. Just because I don't like the looks of this chop. We're at 2K. Really, we just need 4K. We could just do that tomorrow. But I'd like to get at least one more K in and then have an easier day tomorrow. We'll just look for a new trade. How long is this video? That's only an hour and 10 minutes. Attention spans these days. Who knows if people will actually watch this, but we'll see. I wonder if we paper handed this now, though. Ah, we did paper hand it. What's ES doing? Yeah, ES is breaking out. Ah, they faked me out. Big rip. It's okay. Easily could have smoked me. Hitting the high. Boom. See if it would have hit or take profit. This was like a bit of chopped. Fake out. And the fake out got me there, actually. Yeah. Well, that was. Got. It's like I want to think this will dump off a cliff, but it's just so bullish that may not. From what we saw yesterday. Huh. What's funny is we had the 3K, now we're struggling to get it. Oh, the life of trading. Such a hard one. But it is one of the most exciting ones because I'm still feeling so alive. I'm just really curious what's gonna happen, to be honest. Are we gonna break the high? ES is struggling. It's testing consistently. It looks like we're gonna break the high. But am I gonna take a trade right here? Nah, because we're too deep in profit. Let's look for like a nice setup, not just like some wishy-washy one. Ooh, the dump. We could go for a short scalp here because this could dump off a cliff. But it's wishy-washy, like I said, so nah, we're not gonna do it. Trizilla is awesome. Trizilla. Could scalp along here, but nah. This is it's just not a good setup. Like it's not ideal. It does look like it's bullish and that there's a good chance that boom, it's a low pullback, boom, break the high. But for it to break a high, like it's I feel like it's not a 50-50 trade because it's like the high of the day. You know what I mean? I feel like the high of the day is like a little bit harder to break than everything else. But I did break it so many times today that like maybe I'm wrong, but that's just how I feel about it. I'd prefer just to wait for something nice to set up. Even though with six, are we at six cons? Ooh, with six cons, this would have been our $1,000 scalp right there. And it did look like it was going to do that pretty obviously, but now it could douche douche. It does look like it's going to break out. I do just want to go for a scalp, but no. We just talked about how it's kind of dumb. My impulse is saying to take it though. So is my gut, so I feel like my gut's a little bit right about it. But ES is having trouble. It also says weak high, so I might just rip. Let's see what happens. Ooh, what time is it? It's 6 p.m. What time is that in Chicago? It's 11 a.m. in Chicago. In like an hour or so, 30 minutes, an hour, I would look for a reversal play because 11:30 to like 12:30 CST is when I noticed it's kind of like, reversal time. And this is one of those days where it does seem like it might reverse. But it didn't do it yesterday, so who knows? Today, boom. Break it? Mm. And Q broke its eyes. Does that mean ES did too? Yup. ES broke it. That might just mean we run up like crazy. But 37 is the hard high for NQ. I wonder if we take a quick scalp right here long. It's a weak high though. Do. 10 points with 6 contracts for $1,000. It's high risk. A little too high risk for me, I think. This could be quick scalp, long. See, I want to keep making a move, but it's a little, it's not that risky though. It's up 10 points. Only need about half of that. Iffy. We wait. We do some push-ups. Oh yeah. For sure, push-ups. Okay, bang out 40 push-ups really quick. See what the mark is up to. I'm not gonna do an impulse play, but if it hits right here, oh, this could be a nice long right here. I just said I'm not gonna do an impulse play. Let's see if it would work. Oh, I just bought in 6 contracts. Oh my god, is it gonna go? Is it gonna break through? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oof. Still freaking out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is it gonna break through? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yes. A green candle. Yes. Go up. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Oh my gosh. I'm up $750. Oh my god. I only need a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Pump it. Pump it higher. Such a slow pump. This could just be the missile through. Just because this is the high of the day or high of yesterday. This could be the thing right before it just blasts through, so it doesn't actually hit this level. It just rips right through it. I've noticed that across the market that if it stalls a lot right before a key level, usually that key level just gets obliterated. Let's see how much liquidity is there. 37. 35 and 57 both have quite a bit sitting there. Or super sick long play would have been pretty bad. Unless we just took profit on it, $800, but probably wouldn't have. Probably would be getting wrecked right now. Might actually take a short here. Yeah, let's go short. 6 cons. Let's look for a breakdown here. Not a pump back up. Let's see. Let's see if it breaks through 807. Oosh, this was a bad entry. I'm getting nervous now. But I think we should be good. Hopefully it doesn't just rip up. Oosh. A little bit of an impulse play. We're gonna stop out at like probably minus 1,000. This is not a good idea. I think it still might work out, but it's, oh god. We needed to wait for it to break that level before we got in. Ah, shit, minus 1,000. Might just have to get out. Could add more. I don't want to add more. Just in case this is the fucking moon pop. This was a long scalp, not a short scalp. Oy, oy, oy. What was I just thinking? If I averaged a 15 and then it breaks through, then we got our day. Okay, let's add 3 more. Let's hope it breaks this level below. If not, then we're in deep doo-doo. Such a bullish day. But ES was wavering too. High risk, high risk. We might have our stop be, no, I think we'd be losing. We'd go negative. Let's add right here and hope for this low again right here. And then we'll probably just get out just in case it does want to keep ranging. But if it pops off right here, we're not good. This was a bad trade to get into, very bad. This is something I was trying to avoid, but then impulse took over. Not good. Our profit for the day is pretty much gone. Let's go 15 cons. Hope it doesn't blow up on us. Hopefully it comes right back down to that low, and then we'll unload. Come on, keep ranging. Keep ranging. This was not a good trade. I hate trading breakouts too, because it's like such a key support level. But luckily, we didn't go that heavy right there. Otherwise, we would have been smoky smoked, not able to average in. This average isn't terrible, but it's still very high risk. 15 cons deep right now, too. Sheesh. Uh-oh. Dump it. If it goes back up to there, we're in trouble. But retest the high, we're in big trouble. Big red. It looks like it wants to, too. Shit. Let's hope it doesn't push through. God, I hate getting into positions like this. Realistically, should have exited out pretty quick. But it's hard to close trades sometimes, you know? Let's hope this works out. He just needs to range back down and not break out, and we'll be okay. But is it gonna do it is the question. Good news is this is pretty good resistance. And this should be a little dump right here. Come on. Give us back our monies. Uh-oh. If it doesn't dump here, we're in trouble. There it goes. Come on. Push, push, push. Really just want it to go back down to this low right here. I think we might even make money. Like, maybe $1,000 actually. Yeah, maybe. Come on, break down a little bit lower. A little bit. Just a little bit lower. Is it gonna do it? Maybe we should have just gotten out. Uh-oh. This has been digging around for a while, so it looks like it might actually fall off a cliff. This might be our 4K trade right here, actually. Very curious. Terrible entry, of course, but this could very well work out. ES is falling back too, so I'm assuming NQ should do the same. Hopefully. Let's see if we can make that 4,500 right here on this trade. Now I have a good feeling about it. Before I was all nervous and stuff, but now I have a good feeling. Semi-good entry. Spicy level. Uh-oh. Blow through the top. I fucking hope not. Yes. Drop like a rock. Drop like a rock stock. Yes, wants to drop too. This is the curl up to just rage through the top. Jeez Louise. This is just weird, like, it's weird positioning. All we need is really just like a little small drop, so I think we have a higher probability of that than it actually blowing through the top. Okay. 3,700. We'll take it. We'll take 3,600. Hey, we'll take it. So we only need 2,300 tomorrow. Cool. Cool. All right, cool. Ooh. Just took a 15 con scalp. 3,700 profit per combine. Done for the day. LFG. Whew. A little bit sweaty there. It helped talking about what I was feeling, though. It made me feel a lot less pressure, especially when I was adding on more, like when I was averaging in. Thank you, guys. We got it. Day 2 complete. That's $3,600 profit. 34, 30, or okay, $3,500 profit per account. And we could potentially finish this up tomorrow and go into the weekend with 3 new XFAs plus a live stop top step. Holy shit. I was a little nervous in that trade, so it's still catching up to me. But yes, 3 XFAs, 1 live top step account for the weekend. Hopefully get a nice play in tomorrow on the live accounts instead of hitting daily loss like we did today. Unfortunate, but I was asking for it. I was trying to go against the trend. Today we made a good trade, and what did we learn? We needed to take profit, or at least some profit. Some proper risk management would have been to sell at least some, especially at this key level when we wake down to it, which we didn't do, and we almost paid for our mistakes, right? Because one trade could mess you up pretty good. But luckily, we made some wise decisions. We had some patience, and everything worked out. So till tomorrow, salute. Damn good trading out.